Hi everyone. Right, today we're back with the Ninja Woodfire, and why wouldn't we? Look at the sunshine, blue sky. We're at the caravan at Searles in Norfolk. There's our ID buzz, and look, we're going to cook a joint of beef. You know, if you're going to cook a joint of beef and it's summer, why not do it outside? And why not do it on the Ninja Woodfire? So here we go. What are we doing? A 2.1 kilo lump of beef, I think. I've set the temperature at 180 for 2 hours on the Ninja. I've put it on preheat, and it's just told me to add food. It's a bit flashy because it's one of those LED lights, but I'm on roast setting, 180 for 2 hours. We're going to pop that in, and then we're going to see what it's like at the end of 2 hours. So there you go, I've popped it into the roasting tin. Now that's got holes in the bottom, as you can see, and then that's on the grill, but I've got one of my barbecue mats in there because that'll just stop it from congealing and baking onto that grill. Okay, and then I've got the drip tray under the back there, and it could be just there. We can pick some of those juices up later on and use them for a jus, or a gravy, most of us call it. So I'm going to pop the lid down now. There you go, and there you go. It's on 180 for 2 hours. So let's see what it's going to look like. We will, of course, check in as we go through this process. So I'll check in about half an hour or so's time, just to see how it's going. But you can hear it. It's firing up. And we're ready to roll. As I said, why wouldn't you want to cook outside on a beautiful, hot, sunny day? And why not just enjoy being outside and do it on the Ninja Woodfire? There you go, Ninja! Just to remind you what this can do as well. So it's got a grill, it's got a smoker, a grill. You can use it as an air fryer, you can use it to roast, you can use it to bake, you can use it to dehydrate, so that's drying stuff out, I think, if I got that one right, and reheat. And you've even got the Woodfire flavour technology, so if you put your wood flakes in the side here and then hit the Woodfire smoking section button, or whatever you want to call it here, then you get that smokiness in the flavour. But I just don't fancy smoky beef for some reason. There you go. Who knows? I might put some seasoning on it later on, depending on how I feel. But she's definitely cooking away there. She's got that 2.1 kilo piece of beef sitting there inside the barbie. And we're going to go for 2 hours. So we'll check in with you again very soon, just to see what it looks like and how it's going. Okay, so here we go. We are 30 minutes into the 2 hour cooking program with this joint of beef. So let's have a look to see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. Oh, it smells absolutely divine. It really does. You can hear it crackling away there, roasting away. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. So that's after half an hour. So I'm really, really impressed with that. So we're going to put the lid back down, and we will come back in 1 hour, no, in another half an hour. We'll come back in and check it in another 30 minutes just to see. Don't forget, this is a 2.1 kilo piece of beef topside. So we'll come back in another 30 minutes. Let's shut that lid. You can hear it rev up again. Can you hear that? Yeah, okay. And we'll come back and see what it's like. I love cooking outside on this Ninja Woodfire. Oh, I just need a drink now. Happy days. Okay, so here we go. Yep, I'm not holding the camera because Mrs. T is back from swimming.
Yes, I was with the grandchildren and I came back. Oh, there's Danny, look. Hello. That's one of our sons.
Yeah. Trying to get in on the act.
Yeah, he is, isn't he? Yeah.
He's not as handsome as us, is he?
Nepotism, mate.
That's a big word for you.
I try.
Yeah, good. See, ChatGPT. Right, anyway, so here we are. another half an hour in. We've done 1 hour.
Right.
Da-da-da-da-da. That's me, by the way, not the...
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. I'm going to do some surgery on it this time.
Oh, you're going to do some surgery.
I mean, that is really, really lovely.
It smells wonderful.
It does. I'm going to just try and see if I can hack off the overcoat, because as much as I understand why they put these on, I don't particularly like them. So I like
It doesn't taste very nice, does it?
No, a bit stringy.
A bit stringy.
A bit stringy. A bit like some rough old green beans.
Mm.
So I'm just going to try and take that off now while it's here, just so we can...
Ouch!
Yeah, I know.
That spat it at
That's
me.
why I've got the fork, to try and be a little bit more in control. You know me.
Yeah. We all know
Don't
you like to be in control.
Don't. I've got scissors in my hand. Don't start. Right, so there you go. I'm going to just leave that up there for now. But there you go. I've just turned that over. Should I turn it over? Yeah, I'll turn that over. That looks like a lovely piece of beef, doesn't it?
It does. It's lovely.
2.1 kilos of beef that was. And there's lots of essence and drizzly bits in there. I'm sure they're dropping into that drip tray at the back.
Yeah. Be nice.
Fabulous. So I'm just going to take that out.
Do you remember when you were little and your mum used to put the lard or whatever in the
the beef dripping.
dripping?
Yeah, and used to get the fat on the top and then that jelliness underneath. No,
No.
no, because I think we'll use this as a bit jus
No.
over the top when
Oh,
we
well,
finish.
don't get me dripping then.
And we're going to serve this up just with a salad, some crusty bread, and a nice bowl of new potatoes with a bit of butter. So
Yummy.
nothing, over the top, not a big Sunday roast, because A, it's not Sunday,
No.
and B, we're on holiday.
Yeah.
So lid down.
Yep.
There's another hour to go. We'll check back in another 30 minutes.
Okay. Hello
So,
again.
30 minutes later, we've been joined, daughter-in-law Luba, and she's made us a...
Yes, she has.
A
And
Peril, a
it's
spritzer.
what's it called?
Aperol spritz.
Aperol
Aperol
spritz.
spritz. And I'm enjoying that. It's very nice.
It's lovely. Anyway, we
I'm
digress.
starting to fly, actually.
So 30 minutes. So
Bottles
this,
of Prosecco in it.
Yeah.
this has been
2
on-
bottles of Prosecco.
2 bottles of
Two
Prosecco.
bottles of Prosecco.
Wow,
This is
wow.
really quite cool.
I'm
Why?
surprised. I thought there were 3. But there you go.
oh well.
Anyway, so we're now an hour and a half into this 2.1 kilograms of beef.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Look at that. Is it not burned?
The smell. That's not burnt.
I don't know. I'm just asking the question.
I'm going to go by what
Oh,
I was...
oh my God! It smells. The smell's just hit me.
You got nipped by the whiff.
I have.
I'm just going by what they say we should put it in for. So, but what I'd like here is hopefully it'll be crispy on the outside,
Yes.
and then just about right on the inside.
Okay.
So that's the plan. We've got 30 minutes to go, and then we will turn it off and just let it relax.
Ah, it needs to relax.
Yeah.
How much is in the tin? Look.
There's fair
It's
amount in
stuff in
there.
the tin. Yeah.
So, and then while it's relaxing, we'll do some new potatoes, we'll do a salad, we'll get some fresh crusty bread, and then we'll serve it up and we'll have a lovely family meal.
Yay!
There we go.
How's that cool, guys? Is that good?
Perfect.
Perfect.
I was just thinking, we're in the caravan with this heat. I feel like that piece of beef.
So dramatic.
I know.
Anyway, so lid down. It's
Yep.
going to rev up again.
Here we go.
There we go. Another 30 minutes and we'll be back to see you.
Amazing.
2 hours
Yeah.
on the Ninja
Yeah.
Woodfire.
Yes.
2.1 kilos of roast beef.
Yes.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Roast beef.
I think we're done.
Oh my gosh.
Now, interesting, it does look crispy on the outside. We're going to leave that. I'm going to turn this off now. Click, click, click. And it's going to say goodbye. Bye-bye.
Okay, so well, we can't see that.
So
'cause
that's
it
off.
doesn't do whatever.
So we're going to leave it here now for half an hour.
Yes.
Right?
It's
We're just
resting
gonna
now, is it?
Let it rest. Once all that's cooled down, I'm going to bring the lid down as well. But we're going to leave that for half an hour.
Smells gorgeous.
And then we're just going to let it rest. I'm going to go and put the new potatoes on. We're going to bring the salad out. We're going to bring the crunchy fresh bread out. And then we're going to slice into that. And we're going to try and see what 2 hours on a Ninja Woodfire for 2.1 kilos of roast beef is going to be like. Is it going to be overcooked? Is it going to be undercooked? Or is it going to be perfect?
I've got to remind us. Okay. Do you remember
Do you remember?
when we did, was it roast chicken or roast beef or whatever, and roast potatoes on the Caddock?
Roast beef on the Caddock with roast potatoes.
And do you
3
remember-
hours later,
Yeah.
we were absolutely sozzled. We
Oh,
had
we
friends
were.
around
We
us.
did. We
If you can
did.
find the Caddock Safari
Oh,
Chef
please do.
roast beef and roast potatoes video, watch
It was
it.
hilarious.
It was hilarious.
It was
but-
hilarious. And I think if I remember rightly, trying to eat those roast potatoes was like trying to eat bullets.
And we were going, they're really nice. This is lovely.
I'm hoping this is going to be a little bit better.
So am I. So there you go. So we'll come back in about 30 minutes time.
Okay.
And we'll give it a slice.
Yep.
We'll serve it up with some potatoes and some
Yep.
salad and some potatoes and bread and everything else.
Yeah.
And we'll find out how it goes.
Yeah.
Back in a sec. We're ready. Ooh,
We're ready. Ting ting.
ting ting. Right. Let's see after 2 hours
Yep.
if this is going to be rare, overcooked or whatever. I don't know.
What if it's going to be overcooked?
Well, it's tough.
It is tough, yeah.
No, it won't be tough because it's relaxed. So, let me see. Let me turn it around there. Right, I'm going to cut it right down the middle there just to see what it's like. What is it like inside? I wouldn't say it's rare.
No, it's not rare.
I'd say it's well cooked.
Yeah.
Is it tough?
I don't know. Would you like me to taste it?
No.
No? Would you like to taste it?
Of course. It's not tough.
Mhm.
It really melts in the mouth.
Really?
That's lovely.
Okay. Would you suggest though that if we wanted it pink in the middle, we'd perhaps give it half an hour less?
Yeah, an hour and a half rather than 2 hours.
Okay. Fair enough.
We'll definitely say that.
Yep.
The one thing we haven't got here, which I'm really, really upset about,
What?
is some nice creamy horseradish sauce.
Oh yes, we
That
could
would
have
have
had
gone
that.
down really
It
nice.
would, wouldn't it? Yeah.
But that really is 2.1
Hang on a
kilos.
second.
Oh,
Can you smell it too?
no,
You can smell it, can't you?
Boomer Bear wants some. What about Boomer?
Oh, you're drooling as well, are you?
I'll taste it for you.
Not an attractive sight, was it?
No, anyway.
So that's it. So we've got 2.1 kilos on the Ninja Woodfire. We've got some salad there.
Mm, yes.
We've got some onion, some peppers, some cucumber, all in a lovely mix,
Oh,
rockety.
I
New
love
potatoes with
potatoes.
butter. We've got some fresh bread, and we're going to sit down and have a lovely meal.
That's going to be cool.
So that is it. So Ninja Woodfire, roast beef,
Yeah.
thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want to come along and join us on our future journeys, whether it's cooking or cruising or flying or whatever it is. And whatever you do, have fun.
Yes.
Thank you, everybody. See you soon.